congratulations to me. Waiting God not fit do not they exist. They be done they mock me with followers. Anyway, some balloon. Guys, my page is back. My page where the be thief is back. The Edokpayi show is back. Guys, let me see your comment too. No, this house. Over there. Guys, I'm not seeing your comment too. Can someone comment? Let me go and bring the other of my food. Hi. Yes, so Nico, my old page is back, which is Edokpayi show. Enogie. I see say when they mock me, you go carry and come and carry now. My old page is back. People have been missing my page. Hello. Hi guys. You see, the Lord is so faithful. They don't start mocking me with the followers. I laugh. I tell them, una madam eko berebete. I be passing I be passing for follower. Even though, if they do live video, una they watch, I'm gonna be poppy. Una not get worse of una own choice. They will command you where to go, where to comment. But I know they control my followers. Say, you must stay here. You must spy here. No, nah. They are free to do whatever they want to do because they are adults. They are not 18 years. They are more than 18 years. Some be mama inside. I cannot keep them for cover. Remoting them. Yuru yara yuru. Why you come there? Why you look at Logi? Why you look at me? Why you look at enemy? Even though na person where they saga me, they're free to go there because I'm not there. I'm not put anybody for my cage. They are allowed to be free. They feel go everywhere they want to go. I cannot hold them. Are you hearing me? Hello? Can someone hear what I'm saying? I cannot keep it here and make them be my puppy. No. The nigerian. You understand me? Hey, people are here already, my sweet sauce. Make una they thumbs up my video. All my followers, they allow. Only what I need. Okay, you miss me, darling. Me, myself, I miss you, baby. You understand what I mean? I cannot be controlling them. You people, you see how God, they take good. You don't start to they mock me. The Lord say, my pikin, stay there. I will now open your page for you. You see? You people start mocking me with follower, with view, with this. Stop it. Don't do that. Don't do it. Because you are not God. Only God knows that you people offended me. I never near your territory. I never offend you. I never talk to your madam. Your madam lie on me. Gray hair. He lie on me. What I didn't do, he put it on me. Today, I see video when Rosemary do. Rosemary, I'm coming to reply you, my darling. Not join there for all this. If somebody do wrong, tell and say you do wrong. Because we know you as a person who used to say the truth. Because I see you when you ask them, what did me do? Ask them, Rosemary, what did me do then? What did me do this woman? When they fight me so. You still get one young woman when you say they analyze for TikTok. They are say, if my pikin really gets out, where I will go a shop. I'm coming to reply you. You see, that's why you people cannot make it. Because my pikin gets salon, I cannot go to another salon. I have to stay there. You know how many people from this UK, they go my pikin shop, for America, for Canada. You see why you people are hypocrites? For this London, any shop you like, you can enter. Whether it's your daughter, it's your whatever. You know how many wig my pikin they post come this UK? I don't want to tell them, say, go and ask so woman. He get this bete. He get one of his tight friends. When be say, his daughter, his children, now my pikin's shop. Now that they do her. And if they not come Nigeria, he go still send them, please, can you do a lot of wig and send to me? You people don't do that. I don't do that. You people are copy. When you are in one place, you have to be in one place. You say, okay, maybe I will dash me the hair. If I will dash me the hair, is it your business? Eh? Is that your business? I been at that one, I won't follow come entire word body again. If I go a world show, you're supposed to know there is a purpose why I go that show. I will not go there without I not collect something. I will not go there without I not collect hair. I want to know the truth. Where you people are beating everyone up and down. Do you see me say I come saga Esther? Even that years ago when they beat Esther, I joined Esther to fight. I tell them, our Benin people, leave our legend alone. I'm the one who stand for it. I'm in America, the other page is open, my dear. Tell your people that the page is open. That between Sokpaika Toshu. All my pages open now, all of them. Both the widow, all is open. You understand what I mean? You know, say yesterday somebody is telling me, Mama, do backup. I have a lot of backup. Not even backup. Which, all of them is monetized. But I don't log out. You understand me? Eh? And in America, that page, go there. I want to see you for there. That is a Pika, a Santo shoe. That your old page. Make una stop. Una try to carry my page. He get one video that I watched that make me to get this page back today. I will share it so that people, when una they say Facebook carry my account, yeah, the person explain the way I will take enter blah blah blah. I enter them. He said there be 5 way do their. We move, but me only illiterate. You do you for his house. When I open, I begin to say, I don't want see me, I don't want come, I don't want gaga. He's coming down. Now they mock me. See how many followers he gets. See how many you forget, say this is my new page. Now one madam be won't carry. Now I open this new page. It's not even quite long. This page never reached 2 months. The one where he did the year when your madam open, go look. You don't know how many this thing did there? Eh? Mona, stop it. Stop Oh, well, Mama. Find your page. Since so. Thank God. Yeah, you did find my page since. It's back now. Favor, thank you. It's back. But it's Okpaika Tosho is back now, okay? It's back. I want to go there and show you guys something. Oh, yeah, give me a here. Where Gimeki? I want to show my followers something. Okay? Oh, the one see what they were showing me. A no game, because I see now you carry that video. How many people would this see? See? Is it not what your mother have? 4.8. Is it not what she have? I still have 4.8K. See? Is it not what? What's your problem? Are we doing competition of follow of you? I will career. If I do juju the way one to do, you think I will catch all of now. If I use this and juju, join this one a day, you will catch all of now. But I don't want to do that. I don't want anybody to be in my cage. Or this is after, if I sleep, I'll say, no, they are caged there. Even though I say, Laro, won't be that big way, he will still stay there. He will not go. And he will not know that thing I tell you is pain. Eh? He will still stay there. Eh? Oh yeah, Dava. Do you want me to do my followers like that? I cannot do it. My follower has to be free. My follower have to be free because they are not in prison. Okay? Even though not 2 people they watch me, I'm satisfied. I'm not a logathroat. This my pay. The money used to come. I used to use it to do giveaway for people. Every month I do giveaway. Because I'm working. My hand reach me to wash my back. I'm not a woman that is liability, which you people know. Only liability woman that, hey, my view, hey. Guys, keep on tapping. All my followers come back. We are back. When you go mission, you come back. Are you guys? Carry my pay, baby. Use copyright, finish out. He call the copyright and copyright. All the thing. Go to that page, you will see what you do. I delay some. All the name of copyright. You say, mommy, when they do you good. You copyright on my Facebook. Remove her is a problem. I begin the call. You copyright me. Oh, mommy, I don't know what to do again. Oh, you not go school. You not do this. Mommy, are you the one that opened this one for me now? Abi, you think Facebook will just open? You open now. Why? You know what I'll be doing my laptop, my people? You can still see my laptop is open there. When I kulobo jo, imagine school. A here anyway, you not kulobo yo. Who be this? Say sorry to all your fans. How many times do you want me to tell my lovely fans sorry? How many times do you want my fans understand me? How many times, Tina? How many times do you want me to tell my fans sorry? How many times? I know not be all fans. Others always they bully me. I say I know tell them sorry. The one where you have patience, the one where they vex inside mind say, "Mommy, be wait till you go find for them." Now that's why they tell them sorry. Not be the one where they I can't tell all of them sorry. You tell some sorry, not all. The people where they vex say I go meet that to arena over edokpayi. Now I go tell them sorry. Yes, now. So you know, say now your followers could better make them come back. You know, say, let me tell you something. Don't be a foolish person and mugu. You understand? Watch. You know me in person. Hey, my darling. I know you a person. That's why you are still here, my love. My darling, I know you a person. That's why you are still here, my sweethearts. My yuri. Is it not? Because I know you a person. That's why you love me. You are still here. You understand? All my friends that run away from me, I tell them sorry. Because some friends run away from me. Because of, I go settle. They quarrel, fight. I say, hey, wait. I bet you say enemy not good. Because I cannot do enemy. But my darling, they laugh me say I don't go school. See, if I lie, may I carry my laptop come. Yeah. Men are not gonna say just the open and now. See her? You see her? When I see the thing when they get the do now one ratted member. One ratted member. I carry my laptop. I quickly log into my laptop. I said today, not today. Oh yeah, back. When he open, I say, oh, Doma. Oh, Doma. I begin to shout. Scam, Facebook is bad. You know why I just happy? Because they mock me, say, see, you not get follower, you not get fun. Don't do it, stop it. That one is not hard to fight for somebody. All these people, where they say they my side, when they fight Atuari offended them. But I don't ever offend you. Because you want to fight and carry enemy everlasting when you don't know how the trouble starts. Trouble one, I don't know how it starts. All of them carry for head. You una be mumu, una not think to say, make una call and say, waiting mommy be juju. Make him explain good. Not be the one all the video you do, oh na lie. Oh na lie, just to make Bini people join her. After you come put Bini people. Bini people, I Kamala Kiwi Bini. And then Bini people ogbu wahu. When waya we. Una no will let person free for the Bini cyber space. The person way they say me hate Bini. Now he bring Bini people down for this Facebook. Now he bring them down. He carry my Ipekusi come aside. Carry Binima cassava come aside. Carry Binima market come aside. Carry everything. Anything that is good musician or Bolian here. You don't see where particular person I'll carry Benin musician or Isha musician can't be there. So that because I need money or because I meet up pass. Have you seen it? But you people have been bullying some people. I didn't mind. I don't care. Because now I know what you now see one of the fights. You cannot include me, join. Are you hearing me? Somebody, are you hearing somebody? I'm not saying that because of me you follow her. Come back, my dear. Come back so that I'm not here for problem. So that we start our topic, our program. My program, I don't have to lie. I will tell you how to do something back home. How to make your children proud of you so that tomorrow they can put food on your table. So that if your children be rich woman, you go remember when you suffer, follow them. Like the way I remember my mama. Nothing what I know they do for my mother. Nothing. You understand? Una dey hear me so? I say and when no go carry this way they carry. He says, see, I not tell you now. If they come mock Okpayi. No, you cannot mock me. My God is faithful. My God is not sleeping. My God know my heart. Say I never use bad eye. Look on. He just throw away, go insult him. Mama when they grieve. Not let me woo. He go say, nothing when you listen, don't talk, say nothing, I will take beat you. I know they beat you with lie. The way where you go carry your mama grave. What is your mama grave? Empty vessels. Now I want go carry. Mama will not enjoy children before you go to desert. Now I want go carry. Now I'm go, you know go beat your family when they carry before you talk one. Because you were a bad person to your family. That's why they carry the grave come back for my table. I know in the house before. You know they get saying, Which day you will change that your local brain. I want to hear and have information. Big. Who were Mac being and have information? We are my bug being. Nigyo we are not correct. Do you think you are God? When I begin they mock me just now. See view, CDC. In this page, new one, you try. All these people will support me, they try. They begin to build the page bomber to bomber. Why? Because the good I do for them. Thank God I don't catch my mommy just now. I will still call her later. Make her beg her. Because mommy run away from me. Make her come beg all my mommies. They don't like the place I go. But I don't mind. I still stay there. You understand? Now your daughter is the cause, not my daughter. That's the way it started. When I remember 2015-16, that's the way it started. It started insulting my children for inbox. This one is doing krokro. Insulting my children. Yes, Sister Rosemary, you say make I no answer her. And I know. I'm not going to let person insult my children. Me, I'm not going to curse the children when naked. 18, don't they, ikpekus don't they ground like mama, like daughter. Mona they talk true. Now they problem the day. You want if they curse my children, you are happy. You be mother, you be mama, my darling. You be mother. Why you go encourage everybody to curse person children? Make a keep quiet because in your otutu no mobieka. Imokia mwe. Imokia mwe. And emine biere mu na dayi. Imokia kie. Ikie. Gba mami onyu nuwe yoto. Onya nuwe yoto be live video. Uhe ye poko. Uhe iku edun na ebida won iku edun. Esa mi ni me go iku edun. Onya nu onye dia. E ma ni ade akuma. Buma oh. Are you hearing me? Wanna take am easy. My people, see you later. I just want you guys to know, say, I'm back. I'm back. Amen. This Okpayi show is back. Stop mocking people. It's not nice. Mona not dey mock anybody. It's not good. Blah, my page don't come back. Oh. Which is Okpayi show is back, okay? It's back. Somebody go sit down and you go dey find trouble up and down. When you go take come say, make you give me name as a bad woman. Whereas I was not bad to you. I was good to you. If now me hear what they say you talk, I will carry phone. When I hear say you they rubbish yourself, I called you because your conscience was judging you. You cannot pick my call. I hear they say, Mama, they raise update for you. I say, no, you cannot do that. I can't even deny for her. They say, Mama, now you they talk to. I say, no, be me. He cannot do that. Now they come the screenshot. I say, okay, let me call her. Say, what happened? He can't ignore. He can't ignore. I say, see this or there. Or there. No man na uki no. If I tell you say Monica na uki, I don't believe. Can you imagine if they insult my in-law, my daughter, my children? You dey feel na so it do about one about this one. If he insult them finish, I think he get children. I'll come and ask a question about the children. Whether he do surrogacy. Surrogacy. And my children is normal. I didn't do surrogacy. No married man have give me something to hold. No. Now they hear me so. No married man when he say hold something for me. I never fit keep my husband till finish. Okay, they are do that. You know why I not dey talk to him? Because he escaped Ibesa. Is Ibesa escape? Is Ibesa escape when the is Ibesa escape? That's why they quickly they insult. You know when Ibesa they insult people. You understand? So I know they mind now. What say I know me maybe but ije me adori everything no pagbe. I can't wake mama for grave. Who's there? We are back. Yum, yum. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, okay, okay. No, I don't do something. I don't do something. Yes, oh. Okay, okay. Yes. Amba Maya. Eh? Egbe verydarkblackman me here do awon. Maya. Aba Maya. Eh? This edede zagazaga aka edede ogbetinwa. O are your boy your zagayawa. Are your boy ya? Kalekwa. Maya. Na me de vouloir anything we hide. Na me be investigator. Now, I will not start to do my investigator. I will not use old thing to beat you. The new one, the place you stand, they will screenshot and come give me. You and ski wife. Not be gather stand. If I mete I no way now. And they ask you that man when for first year, what you make am for? We make one. Maya. Tu. Be make ames kiki. O wa gba amuja opo. Ino we obi Yoruba nu wa kodukun ru afuwa. What wife wa? Obi Yoruba nu wa kodukun. Wa na ru wife wa. Well, hey, you don't have any information. Don't say that. If you say that, I'll start digging you. Don't say that. Don't say that. Anyway, let me leave you for now. Let me go. I just want to tell you guys, it's bad. Aya. Now they hear me say, they don't already start to they mock me. Let me be international. See me. Doro Gucci. Blessy Gucci. Doro Gucci. Go Doro Gucci. You they feel me? They don't mock me already. Go and see your pig. Go and see. Is that the main thing? I be my words of my mouth. Now it be content, not be view. My words of my mouth. When I go to essential, all live video present I will carry. You go to hear am for another word. Oh yeah, what I want back at boy. What I want back. Oh, how many people they carry? Only 2 people there. My all live video presenter. To show you are the bad person in those about space. You are the most corrupt woman. Nobody likes you in your village. In your village, nobody likes you. They like me, they prefer me more than you. Because I don't spoil married people. I don't teach them, say, leave your husband and start sleeping with a robber. It's an abomination in those states. Go reach Ishaland, where you from? I don't know whether na born put you go do for there. I've been a born any. Are you hearing me? Nyara. My people, see you guys on our way, my page. I'm ready to come and teach you now how to stay with your husband. It's not by Bola. It's not by where without Bola I can't stay. I will 7 to 8 9. I will I will shower. You can know what they are here. We are do look for you. Go. Una way they wait me finish before I enter house. No. Now if I start, let me last enter house. If he no say he make you say keep quiet. If he not talk for 2 days, and me too I go enter my house. Hey Regina. Ni yon kasumon. Wa go davan. La Rosemary medali go davan. I deni do pe music yo go we azekpe ni do tamawe. E mi no sie. Nu wa no e di me gwale eme. Yon gwale meme. You ain't when I win at your home in Nigeria. No, no, I confess. You ain't can I'm wearing the ARE and I Steven your boy. On a car. On a car 11. Anyway, see, wait, you that watching me. If they not offend you, don't mind them. If maybe you they beat them because of the wayward life where they live, fine. You understand me? Me, I can hand over that woman. Me, I can hand over her. You see her? See the way? I go hand over her like ibe chili. Because when on ibe chili, on my way na yak be high. When we they look after them. On my way na yak be high. They know they beat the number. Well, beat the name as well. I love you, Favor. Mommy love you, past Favor. You know you? Let me go and relax. I'm back. Guys, thumbs up my video. Let me see my honey. My honey. All my fans, make sure you thumbs up that video, okay?